Do you want to know how to make and save money using credit cards? Stay tuned to uncover the top 5 tricks. Yes, you heard it right. Your simple plastic companion can become your magic wand, turning transactions into treasures. In the next few minutes, we'll journey through the labyrinth of credit card benefits, revealing secrets that can help you make the most of your purchases. We'll explore the world of reward programs, delve into the realm of sign-up bonuses, and even venture into the territory of zero-interest promotions. We'll also uncover the power of balance transfer cards and the hidden gem of price protection policies. This isn't just about swiping and paying, it's about making the card work for you. It's about becoming a smart credit card user, one who knows how to churn the system for every penny's worth. Ready to dive into the world of savvy credit card use? Let's unlock the first trick. Scene script. Have you ever wondered about the benefits of reward programs? They're more than just a marketing gimmick. Let's dive into the world of reward programs. They're a win-win situation for both you and the credit card companies. Wondering how? Let's break it down. Credit card companies are in a constant battle to outshine each other. To attract you, they offer reward programs. Every time you swipe your credit card, you earn a certain percentage of your purchase back in the form of rewards. These rewards can be cashback, points, or miles. And the best part? It's like getting paid to spend your own money. Now you might be thinking, why would companies give away money? Well, they're not exactly giving it away. They profit from the merchant fees every time you use your credit card. So, the more you use your card, the more they earn. And that's why they encourage you to spend more by offering these enticing reward programs. But how can you take advantage of these programs? It's simple. Choose a credit card with a reward program that suits your lifestyle. If you're a frequent traveler, pick a card that offers miles. If you shop a lot, go for a card that gives cash back or points. Then use your card for everyday purchases and watch your rewards pile up. With the right strategy, reward programs can be your ticket to making money from your credit card. Now, on to trick number 2. Sign-up bonuses are not just a ploy to get you to choose one credit card over another. They can be a goldmine. Now, you might be asking, what are sign-up bonuses? These are enticing offers that credit card companies use to lure in new customers. They can range from cashback, miles, points, to even free hotel stays. And the best part is, these bonuses can add up to a substantial amount of money. So how do you qualify for these sign-up bonuses? Most of the time, you'll need to spend a certain amount within the first few months of opening your account. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you need to spend recklessly. Use your card for everyday purchases or even for large planned expenses. Just make sure you can pay it back in full to avoid interest charges. Now here's the real trick. Don't rest on your laurels after securing your first sign-up bonus. Keep an eye out for new credit cards with attractive sign-up bonuses. But remember, opening too many credit cards too quickly can impact your credit score, so be strategic about it. And what to do with these bonuses? Use them. Redeem them for cash back, apply them toward your bill, or exchange them for goods and services. Just remember, these bonuses are essentially free money, so make the most of them. So, don't overlook the sign-up bonuses. They could be your first step toward making money with your credit card. Ready for the next trick? Let's go. Zero-interest promotions might sound too good to be true, but they can actually save you a lot of money. Let's dive right in. First of all, what are zero-interest promotions? Simply put, they are promotional offers by credit card companies where you are not charged any interest on your purchases for a specific period of time. This period can range from a few months to even over a year. So, how can they help you save money? Well, imagine making a big-ticket purchase, say a new laptop or a dream vacation. If you have a zero-interest promotion on your credit card, you can spread the cost of that purchase over several months without paying any extra in the form of interest. Now, it's important to remember that these promotions don't last forever. You need to pay off the balance by the time the promotion ends, or you'll be hit with the standard interest rate, which can be quite high. That's why it's crucial to plan your payments and make sure you can afford to pay off the balance in time. Also, bear in mind that these promotions often apply to purchases and balance transfers, but not cash advances. So, don't be tempted to withdraw cash from your credit card under a zero-interest promotion. Zero interest promotions are a smart way to manage your finances and save money. Now, let's move on to the fourth trick. Balance transfer cards can be a lifesaver when you're drowning in high-interest debt. A balance transfer card is like a rescue boat in a sea of high-interest rates. It gives you the opportunity to move your existing credit card balance onto a new card, often with a significantly lower interest rate. Imagine this: instead of paying 20% interest on your current card, you could be paying 0% on a balance transfer card. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But remember, this is not a one-way ticket to a debt-free life. It's a temporary lifeboat that gives you a chance to pay off your debt faster. While using a balance transfer card, it's essential to have a solid plan to pay off your debt before the promotional period ends. That's because once the promotional period is over, the interest rate could skyrocket, and you might find yourself back in deep waters. Also, be aware of any balance transfer fees. Some cards charge a percentage of the amount you're transferring, so make sure to factor this into your calculations. In addition, try not to make new purchases on your balance transfer card. These might not be covered by the promotional rate and could end up costing you more in the long run. Balance transfer cards can help you save money, but be sure to use them responsibly. Now let's uncover the final trick. Did you know that your credit card could help you save money even after you've made a purchase? Enter price protection policies. These are special features offered by some credit card companies that allow you to get a refund for the difference if the price of an item you purchased drops within a certain period. Isn't that fascinating? Here's how it works. You buy an item with your credit card and then keep an eye on the price. If the price drops within the designated time frame, often 60 to 90 days, you can submit a claim to your credit card company. They'll review your claim, and if approved, you'll get a refund for the difference. So, how do you make the most of this? Stay vigilant. Keep track of the prices of your purchases and don't hesitate to file a claim if you notice a price drop. Price protection policies can be a game changer in your quest to save money using your credit card. And that wraps up our top 5 tricks. So there you have it, 5 legal tricks to make and save money using your credit cards. We've journeyed through the world of reward programs, sign-up bonuses, zero-interest promotions, balance transfer cards, and price protection policies. These are all fantastic tools to help you maximize your credit card usage. But remember, the key to making the most of your credit card is to use it wisely and responsibly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.